How do you stop a competitor when you're just not as competent? And they are about to beat you to market again. You sow a little bit of chaos. For this project, they used 2 servers from different manufacturers. Well, aren't all servers the same? Just a bit of code injection used to work just fine. We thought we had the tools, tactics, and techniques. And the weaknesses? Well, they were everywhere. Manufacturer 1 down. 1 more to go. What we didn't count on, is being detected the moment we opened the server. Who could expect that a server could detect an intrusion, even when the server had no power? But a new day was dawning for hardware security. Time to rack the servers. A routine that plays out in server rooms across the country every day. This time was meant to be a bit more painful. Oh boy. Looks like this manufacturer's server is a no-go. Might take a while to figure out what's wrong. Better move on to the other manufacturer's server. If this server is dead on arrival, this could take a few days to sort out, giving us just the time we needed. Detection was unavoidable, but chaos still seemed possible. This server was different. It could detect the attack and warn about physical tampering at any point from the factory to the installation point. With Silicon Root of Trust, it could even heal itself. Oh well. You can't win them all.